What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the transparent text style using the CapCut. So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can start to install this CapCut and here I am accessing it with my Android phone, and don't worry because this CapCut is quite accessible within your PC, iOS phone or even the tab. And this will be the home page and you can start to click the new video. And after that I will go to the library to choose the which one do you prefer. You can choose this green screen or the black picture. For example, I will choose this black picture as the simple base of my text first, and I will also remove this ending, and I will also adjust the length of this video or this scene to become, let's say, 7 seconds. And after that I will put the text over here, for example my video.com, for example. And you can apply to it. And for the font I will choose, for example, Mantra. Oh, it's too thin, I'm sorry. I will choose this, for example, Sequel. And I will also adjust the size like this and apply to it. And I will also adjust the length or the duration of this text as same as this picture to be second 7. I'm sorry, the 7 seconds. I'm sorry. And after that I will click this AI Ultra HD and I will inactivate this toggle, and I will keep the resolution and frame rate and bit rate like this and continue to click export and kindly wait for the process. And this myvideo.com has been saved into the video, and I will go back to the project like over here, and I will continue to click the new video and select the another scene or the another video in my device. For example, I will choose this one like this. And the next thing you need to do is copy or put the text that we have made before into this section. You can import it by click the overlay and add overlay. So this will be the video that we have just made before. Click add. And after that you can decide about the position of this text gonna be placed. You can put it in the middle of this video, or you can also put it, let's say, in the corner. Which one do you prefer? And for example, I will choose to be in the middle of this video like this. And the next thing that you can do would be remove the background. Here I will use the Chroma Key because it's way easier to remove the background. And after that you can adjust the intensity to make it more clear or clearer like this. And you can also again adjust the size by enlarge it or minimize it. And I will also reduce the duration and I will remove this ending. And for this text, I will start to adjust the opacity. Well, you can find the opacity by clicking the opacity option like this, and you can adjust the intensity of the text like this. If you make it to the 100, it will more appear, and if you reduce it, let's say to become, let's say 30 or 20, it will more transparent. You can use these tips too and apply to it, and this will be the result. So this text can be your watermark, or if you would like to try another tip, so you can try to select this text again, and you can go to this splice, and you can choose to use this filter, for example, and adjust the intensity like this. So it will be actually the same way to create the text to be more transparent. Which one do you prefer? So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.